Why cryptocurrency isn't for everyone. Cryptocurrency is a dream for many. You hear stories of people becoming millionaires thanks to Bitcoin or other projects. And naturally you think, I want a piece of that pie too. But the truth is much more complicated. Yes, crypto is an amazing opportunity, but no, it's not for everyone. In this video, I'll explain why with real-life examples and most importantly, give you a realistic view before you dive in head first. First point, volatility. Crypto is nothing like a savings account at the bank. Here, the price can skyrocket, but also crash hard. Take Bitcoin, for example. In November 2021, it was around $69,000. A year later, it had dropped below $17,000. Imagine those who invested all their savings at the peak. And it's not just Bitcoin. Altcoins are even worse. Some can lose 80 to 90% of their value in just a few weeks. Not everyone can handle this volatility. Many panic, sell at the worst time and lose everything. Second point, responsibility. In crypto, you are your own bank. That means you have total control over your funds, but also that you are 100% responsible. If you lose your private keys or your recovery phrase, your money is gone forever. There's no number to call, no advisor, no customer service. There are thousands of stories of people who lost access to their wallets, sometimes containing millions of dollars in Bitcoin. It's a real thing. And that's not all. You also have to watch out for scams, fake websites, and false promises of returns. One click on the wrong link, and everything can disappear. Is everyone ready to handle this level of responsibility? Not sure. Third point, psychology. Many people get into crypto hoping to get rich quickly. But the truth is, emotions become your worst enemies. When prices go up, you're afraid of missing out, so you buy too late. When they go down, you panic and sell at a loss. This phenomenon has a name, FOMO, or fear of missing out. But those who truly succeed in crypto are those who have a clear strategy. Invest little by little, be patient, and don't let emotions guide them. And that's not something everyone has, because it requires a discipline that few people possess. Fourth point, technical understanding. To buy and store crypto, you need to understand concepts like hot and cold wallets, blockchain networks, transaction fees, and smart contracts. For someone new to it, it can be very intimidating. And that's exactly where many people get tricked, because they blindly follow advice from strangers on the internet. A simple example, sending tokens on the wrong network. It happens every day. You think you're sending your USDT on Ethereum, but you bought them on the BNB chain, your money is gone. Finally, the last point, regulation. Crypto is not a playground without rules. In some countries, it's banned. In others, like France, crypto gains are taxed at 30% to 35%. Many people don't realize they need to declare their gains, keep precise track of their transactions, and follow tax laws. And again, this isn't for everyone. So, is cryptocurrency an amazing opportunity? Yes. Should everyone invest in it? Yes and no. Because crypto demands patience, discipline, a minimum of knowledge, and above all, the ability to take on high risks. If you're just starting out, begin small, educate yourself, and never put in more than you're willing to lose. Crypto is like the ocean. Some know how to swim, others drown. It's up to you to decide which side you want to be on. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.